Welcome for another unboxing review of one of my Klein tools. So this is Klein Kurve 1009, a long nose wire stripper with crimper. So let's start first with the price of this Klein Kurve 1009. So I ordered this on Amazon USA to Saudi Arabia with the amount of almost $32, including the imported tax and for the shipping. So let us start our review by opening or by unboxing our Klein Kurve 1009, a long nose wire stripper with crimper. So as you can see, this is now our Klein Kurve 1009. So we will start our review or our explanation about this Klein Kurve 1009 from the tip of this wire stripper going to the handle. So parts by parts we will discuss the features of this Klein Kurve 1009 from the tip, from the wire stripper, from the shear type cutter, from the pivot, from the crimper, and also with the handles. So let's start. Let's talk about first the tip of this Klein Kurve 1009. So this is new design to grab, pull, and vent even the smallest of wire. So as you can see, this is a telephone wire. So in case that we are going to use this Klein Kurve 1009 as our long nose, so this is one of the best. We can pull even the smallest of wire, as you can see. So we will move on now on the another features of this Klein Kurve 1009 about wire stripper. So as you can see, it can strip 10 to 20 of solid wire and 12 to 22 of stranded wires. So we will try or we will put into a test our Klein Kurve 1009 by stripping or by removing the insulation of our wire. So we will put our wire in the right size of this wire stripper. So we will try. So as you can see, it strips perfectly without damaging our conductor of our wire. So this is our Klein Kurve 1009 with the function of wire stripper. So we will move on the third features of this Klein Kurve. So this is precision shear type cutter blades for easier cutting. So we will try cutting from the smallest wire to the biggest wire that we have. So we will try with our telephone wire. So this is very thin wire. So as you can see, it cut gently and perfectly. So very easy to cut this smallest wire using our Klein Kurve 1009. So we will try with our number 16 stranded. So as you can see, it cut perfectly. Very easy to cut wires using this Klein Kurve wire stripper long nose with crimper and also with the wire cutter. So we will move on cutting our AWG number 12. So good cutter, very sharp. So we will try on our number 10 wire. So let's check. So very easy to cut this size of wire using our Klein Kurve 1009. So guys, as an advice, do not use this Klein Kurve shear type cutter in cutting hard material. So this is only designed to cut copper. As you can see, cut copper only. So we will try cutting now our number 8 wire. So I think this is the maximum that we can use to cut our Klein 1009. I have not tried yet to use this to cut with the bigger wire than this, about AWG number 6. So this is our AW number 8. So we will try. So it can hold or it can cut our AWG number 8 wire. So I am very impressed about this Klein Kurve 1009 when using in cutting wires. Regarding with the pivot or the rivet of this Klein Kurve 1009, so this is optimized for ideal leverage when cutting and crimping. So they put the rivet of this tool for us to have a good leverage when we are about to cut or when we are about to crimp terminals. So we will try now on crimping terminals using our Klein Kurve 1009 as one of its features. So here we are now about to try to crimp these terminals using our Klein Kurve 1009. So I put already the wire and the connector, so we will try by crimping these terminals using our Klein Kurve 1009. So let's check. So as you can see, it crimps properly and perfectly between our wires and our connector. So this is one of the best features also of this Klein Kurve 1009 as our crimper. So if you are an HVAC technician or industrial electrician making control circuit, so this is one of the best tools that you must have. So this is our Klein 1009, Klein Kurve 1009 with the purpose or with the function of crimping insulated and non-insulated terminals. So we will move on the another features of this tool, so about wire bending. So as you can see the two holes, so this is the device or the features that we can use in wire bending so that we can easily connect our wires on our switches and our outlet. So the trick is something like this. So we will put our wire here and then we will twist or bend our Klein Kurve 1009. So the wire now is ready to be fixed on our switches or in our convenience outlet. So we will move on the last features of this Klein Kurve 1009. So according to its name, it is called curve because as you can see the handle, it is in curve position. So it is designed for us to have a good grip when we are about to grab, to strip, to cut, and to crimp terminals. One of the things also that I like about the handle is about the insulation. So they have put 2 pieces insulation of this Klein Kurve 1009, and it is also very soft when you are about to hold this one even without gloves. So this is our review for our Klein Kurve 1009. So guys, this Klein Kurve 1009, as you can see, this tool don't have any bolt shearer, so we cannot cut any screws or small bolts using this Klein Kurve 1009. So the other thing that I have noticed about this Klein Kurve 1009, so this is not a spring loaded, so we don't have any spring here, so that when we close our tool, so it will automatically open again. So this could be an advantage or disadvantage according to the user, but for me, I preferred not a spring loaded, so that's why I order or purchase this tool. So guys, I hope this short review about Klein Kurve 1009 will help you to decide which wire stripper you are going to buy. So thank you for watching and see you on the next video, and God bless you all.